Good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are good at your home. Now, we have already completed the unit number 1. Now, today we are going to learn the unit number 2. Practice question 1.1. Given below are some important events in the history of humankind. Find the approximate years they refer to and mark them on the timeline given below. देखो ये जो है you have to write in your supplementary book. End of the early Vedic age or beginning of later Vedic age. Beginning of the early Vedic age, early cities, and end of the later Vedic age. Practice question 1.2. What are the main source of information about the Vedic age? The main source of information for the Vedic period are a set of religious texts called the Vedas, and they are the 4 Vedas. This we have already learned. Clear? Rig Veda, Earthworth Veda, Sam Veda and याजुर वेदा. ठीक है, ये आपको अपनी नोटबुक में लिखना है. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन टू मैच द फॉलोइंग. लैंग्वेज सिमोंग स्पोकन इन नॉर्थ इंडिया, टिबिटो बर्मन एंड हो ऑस्ट्रो एशियंटिक एंड कनाडा स्पोकन इन साउथ इंडिया, द्रविडियन. You have to write this, match the following in your supplementary book. This you have to write in your supplementary book. Magadhis began to be erected 1000 BCE, 1600 BC to 700 BC, and Amongon was occupied. This you have to write in your supplementary book. 4 Varnas and the work performed by the people are Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishnava and Shudras. तो उन्होंने क्या वर्क डन किया है? दे स्टडी एंड टॉट वेदास एंड परफॉर्म सेक्रीफाइस. ब्राह्मण ने. क्षत्रिय ने दे फाउट बैटल्स टू प्रोटेक्ट पीपल. वैष्णव्स ने दे प्रैक्टिस फार्मिंग, हर्डिंग एंड ट्रेडिंग. एंड शूद्रास ने दे सर्व्ड द अदर वर्नास. प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन 7.1. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स टू कंप्लीट द चार्ट ऑन चाहपदास. देखो ये आपकी जो फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है वो आपको कंप्लीट करनी है. पुराना किला तो हस्तिनापुर एंड अत्र ठीकेरा एंड मीनिंग द लैंड वेयर पीपल सेट देयर फुट. फिर उसके फीचर्स में आपको लिखने हैं कि पीपल लिव इन हंट एंड केप एनिमल्स लाइक शीप, गोट एंड कैटल. They grew crops like rice, wheat, barley, pulses, sugarcane, sesame and mustard. A specific type of pottery known as painted grey war has been found here. This you have to write in your supplementary book. This also you have to write in your supplementary book. फिर ये fill in the blank से आपको complete करनी है, supplementary book में लिखनी है. This. He travelled on foot from one place to another place teaching people, and he attended enlightenment by meditating for many days under a peepal tree. This you have to write in your social fair book, history fair book. According to Buddha, what is the cause of all our suffering? According to Buddha, Tanha is the cause of all our suffering. This you have to write in your supplementary book. What did farmers find it difficulty to follow the teachings? What did Mahavir to do attendant enlightenment? The farmers had to kill insects to protect their crops, which was against the rules and ahimsa. And Mahavir left home and went to a forest. He led a hard and lonely life for 12 years. This also you have to write in your supplementary book. According to him, how can people attain enlightenment? Okay, giving up everything and leading a very simple life, following ahimsa, being honest and not saying, observing celibacy. This you have to write in your notebook. When and where his teaching first written down. His teaching were first written down 1500 years ago at the place called Vallabhi in Gujarat. This you have to write in your supplementary book. Brahmacharya, childhood, Gristha, adult age, Samasyasya, old age and Vanaspratha, middle age. ये 4 आश्रम्स है. ठीक है. फिर on the timeline given below, mark the following events: birth of Gautam Buddha, spread of Jainism by Mahavir, and development of Punashitic thought. बर्थ ये आपको 500 BC करके आपकी सप्लीमेंट्री बुक में यू हैव टू राइट दिस, यू हैव टू राइट इन योर सप्लीमेंट्री बुक. कालिंगा उड़ीसा एंड उज्जैन मध्य प्रदेश. प्रेजेंट डे आज कहाँ है? फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ये आपका जो चार्ट है वो आपको सप्लीमेंट्री बुक में ही कंप्लीट करना है. 3 इंपॉर्टेंट सिटीज़: पाटलिपुत्र, तक्षशिला एंड उज्जैन. रूलर्स: Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara and Ashoka. And one important feature of the people's life: people in different parts of the empire spoke a different language. This you have to write. ये जो मैप है, ये जो आंसर से you have to write in your supplementary book. और आपके में ये मैप दिया होगा तो आपको लिखना है ये मैप में. ओके, this you have to write in your supplementary book. Arrange the major development in the Indian subcontinent in a sequence on the timeline below. About 2000 BC में क्या था? तो collapse of Mauryan Empire. फिर 100 BC में, फिर ये लास्ट से ऐसा दिया है यानी अबाउट 500 CE तो पल्लवा किंगडम. फिर अबाउट 300 CE तो द गुप्ता एम्पायर. फिर अबाउट 1 BCE बिगिनिंग ऑफ द कुशाना रूलर. About 100 BCE the Satvahana rule, and about 200 BC the collapse of the Mauryan Empire. Okay, bye bye.